Thank you.
And Chris from Warrior was so excited to talk to you that he called before the show even started.
Oh, great,
so Chris,
great.
we certainly appreciate you staying up late with us and giving us a call. If you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I was married on September the 8th of 2017, and the Jefferson County Courthouse. She walked out on October the 9th of 2017. I haven't seen her, don't know where she lives, but I run into her at a local gas station on January 1st of this year. What can I do about abandonment charges in Jefferson County?
That's a very good question, Chris. A lot of people don't realize, I have a lot of people ask me about abandonment as a part of a divorce. What they don't realize is just because the person leaves the home or a spouse leaves the home and they're gone for maybe a month or two, if that spouse knows what they are, that is not grounds for abandonment. Abandonment is when they have left the home and have been gone for at least 12 months and you have no idea what they are, which is what you're telling me has been the situation. So you can file for divorce. What you will have to do is try to get her served. If you are unable to get her served, then you have the option to do publication, meaning that you will do an affidavit saying you have no idea of where her location is, and as a result, you will be asking the court if they can allow you to move forward by doing a publication so that you can try to give her notice that a divorce has been filed. Once that time frame for that publication has ran, she will normally have 4 weeks. After 4 weeks, she will be considered served. If she files an answer, then you all move forward with your divorce. If she does not, the court would then allow you to move forward what they call a default judgment, meaning that she's not present, she has not answered, she has not made herself aware to the court, and at that point the court would then divorce you. So you do have that option. Wow. So again, that was a very great question because most people don't realize just because that spouse has been gone from the home, if they know where they are and has been less than 12 months, that is not abandonment, but you are definitely have the grounds for abandonment. So yeah, you can move forward.
Wow. Well, Chris, we appreciate you calling in. Certainly hate that happened to you because that sounds like a difficult situation.
So if a spouse, all right, let's not call it abandonment. Let's say they just leave, take off, and they're gone for 3, 4, 5 months. You don't hear from them. Is it then? I guess your place, you just file for divorce,
yes,
and
absolutely.
do the same thing in terms of trying to get them served. If you can't find them, you do it by publication.
Absolutely.
It's just categorized differently.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Same exact thing. Okay. If you have, just like you said, you have a spouse that has been gone from the home for a couple of months, but you still don't know their location, or you have an idea of their location, but you're having trouble to getting them served, you still have that option. Nothing's changed. It's just not considered to be grounds for abandonment because you have not made that 12 months. However, you can still move forward and file for divorce. If you can't find them, then you do it by publication.
If you file for abandonment, are there any extra benefits that come because you have that claim? Does the divorce, the proceedings or anything?
No, nothing's different.
Judgment or anything like that? No.
Nothing's different.
That just gives you the grounds.
That's just the grounds. We have several grounds that you use that you can file for divorce. That is just one of those grounds.
Okay, awesome. Well, Chris, again, thank you so much for calling in.